Hwamu na share Ghana domestic flight na hwamu na share so. Jerry Ghana Civil Aviation anase Ghana Airport Company omo in charge of local flight
And you see on the Domestic Flight Control Board of Ghana omo enyame score. Efa dollar perform dollar bo perform dollar perform and so prices on flights ejina Kumasi to Accra 4,000 plus. Kumasi to Accra 4,000 plus. Meanwhile, dollar bo perform on this issue no. Saddick Adams, that is Sports Obama, and Kofi Tonto of Asempa FM. Omo abegi komwa actually domestic flight board. Na omo true question say $10 perform. Now so no internal domestically your flight bo that's baby da. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was any day. Over like if you do not know that room. Subscribe button and now click the notification icon for latest updates. Now better watch the mama e comment section. Mess over so. No she video more for so any be action. Entian kwa chire kakra. Obeka somewhere $20 at 5.76 pesos. I quite remember exactly 10th September 2021. $9 at 5.76 pesos. By then, now Kumasi to Accra. Kumasi to Accra na 1,000 cedis. In 2021, $9 at 5.76 pesos. Now Kumasi to Accra. Ubuku flight na 1,000 cedis. Somewhere 2022. Russia Ukraine war started here. Dollar started cost even then $1 at 6 cedis. Now Kumasi to Accra flight 1,000 cedis. And the contract 2022 ni kwa we na dollar extra service 8 cedis no. That was when Kumasi to Accra 1,000 cedis. And I've been following that update. Kumasi to Accra 1,000 cedis. What I say? And that time, that's $1 at 7 cedis plus. And the dollar at 7 cedis no. Now Kumasi to Accra, a boy no abedu 1,000 cedis. Next in himself Ghana no dollar ball cost and never ball cost $20 ball ever from and never ball ever from. In the same way, in 9th November 2024, any year Ghana in the history of Ghana, dollar echo drew the peak. Dollar echo drew 16 cedis 47 pesos. But on live market, now Ghana are turning 17 cedis now. $80 echo drew. On the internet, that dollar at 16 cedis 47 pesos. Then no, Anna domestic flight board almost to 2 flight boom internally. Almost Penyah boom. I just Kumasi to Accra. It could be 4,000 cedis. And there you had a go hano. $10 at 7 cedis. Not at 1,000. It's now no dollar average. I could do 17 cedis. 17 cedis no so. Accra to Kumasi. It could do 4,000 plus. Just say $7 multiplied by 3 by 3 about 21 21. But a bono Kumasi to Accra echo multiply more than 3 times. How? Dollar multiply by 3 in a price and by 3 in a price. But Kumasi to Accra multiply more than 3 times. How? It could do 4,000 plus. How? I'm on your charge this 2025. $25 above form. Dollar ever form no settle. Domestic Flight Control Board, as it be a board down a while better, or wanted to so. Or wanted to Ghana, it's about time I will say politics if you timo. Nay, to me, a holding some institution responsible. How come say dollar air cost through the moon answer to 2 memo, but dollar ever form they know the artists we need. How? And what's about it's about time when the public know. You forget about party, throw your party color away. For party too, baby. Now you hold some institution responsible because Omunebo minabro. It was on this issue, no. Saddick Adams, that is Sports Obama, any Kofi Tonto on Asempa FM, Omu Abegi Commander Domestic Flight Control Board.
Hwamu na share Ghana domestic flight na hwamu na share so. Jerry Ghana Civil Aviation anase Ghana Airport Company omo in charge of local flight domestic flight no. Tesi a wo call London na ubetimi de 9,000 cedis ana 8,000 cedis akọ London aba. Yes, o check flight na even British Airways asem na make nti se unya Air Morocco mo a return tickets wo pe asisi akase wo twa ticket next month akọ London aba. There is a likelihood so betimi nya be 8,000 cedis 9,000 cedis. Even British Airways utiminya wakọ animu 9,000 because of the dollar no. So we stress na mo amutwa plane tickets regularly no. Tuesday flight they are na wo form pa. Minim de entia Tuesday Wednesday. Me check no pay British Airways straight. O check out utiminya 9,000 cedis. Obekọ London about return. 10,000 cedis ubenya bi. Emaro komodia we are lucky ubenya 7,000 cedis. But me cost sunyani aba 4,000. Kumasi 3,500. Flight me person me who the difference between said they see working on mumra bontina mum chechim and tray. Because a size stifle economy in a way. So a man for person move ko by a quine and yentinke or air transporter. A man for bebrea Moshe South Africa for flight to be your friend Mango. Now, abra ye fro mango no. Now they compare any lorry fare o tracker mo. The difference na times 3. It is offer flight na. Times 3 of the car bus. For mo amatuka ko South Africa da minimum other country but mango very cheap. And say to ko Ebanie every Bloemfontein na ko Cape Town na ko Johannesburg chinchinsa. Into obi or South Africa be akaso from mango. You can clearly see say I say mango na koye cheap flight. Ghana cheap flight in here. Minim Kumasi 25 minutes return. A day so much minutes up flight and omeko 6 times. A see ya ne to a minim say Ghana Airport Company say civil aviation mo na mo hweswa. The way omo charge you $100 nfa ho. Minim say aviation fuel no and also there a different coster. Omo bu amanfo ogumu anase saa na charge because ye hu amai bebria domestic flight fo. And can a dollar crab for me dear. Ya team makomaku nsia na free so. As obi anka o masem and America no krom ha no elite sem ne dos so ase ukofru plane na class. Classism e wo hokakra nti no we mu ne woska but enkanya ne saa. Ekwan ye ena obi pentama kokumase ana opentama kosunyane atamale 30 minutes flight 25 minutes flight minim wire abra dollar was no price ana omoje no say price an cost more than that fuel so abafom enti what is the difference between because domestic flight no may they compare international flight na may call US now me try flight take 17,000 then because of dollar cost ra and then about 12,000 and now 11,000 it means say me save 6,000 from 2022 I'm a me save 6,000 Easter San Quebec cost no say no say me ko Kumasi and me ko Sunyane a me tia more than say na 2022 there na flight in was run. I don't understand until where their questions na me busa me nim how flight in Ghana work. And I mean how international flight na no call one pair. E bi o ha 27 hours. Na akosi. Ubetimanya be 7,000, 8,000, 9,000 a return flight. Ofa air Morocco mo anase air Portugal mo tap mo na so they call bridge dia. Ubenya transit na. And ya fofofo. But ofa domestic flight here utimu a hu ya. 4,000 cedis. Sunyane. Kumasi 3,500. Oh, kwaba. Says you cannot times in the 2 how they call London. Aden. Hamone jaso anayen kaumasem. Domestic flight no ye for class of people binti no. The omo te say the East Legon dan ye charge a yenwen ho. Hone de ase nipa no pe na okotena ho nti no. Se wunya saka wasika bi a no ye bobo a yenwen ho ana da bi flight eye service a o render yenim say enye government dia dia but also omo fall in line na ultimi for effort so trotro for omo ti omo for so a ana ultimi force domestic airline ana omo de omo nikuo ena na da na me kan ha na anti ase nya adwuma no se ebetiti bibia so na trotro driver so for plane ya tum ya double no abra ya tifu so ani onkwotere de so nya dai nti etimi force trotro force omo nti omo fair so a ada ne entimi force domestic airline force omo nti so ofura wo hwe biscuit kra ma obi bottle water sheshe dear pa ne wo mu a ofuru plane 35 minutes from here to Sunyane. Oh, through plane 25 minutes from her. Na 8 o'clock asem. And then we akomate kopim se besie ningina still. Ya tutum wa bra dollar aba from. Mentiase. Anopai try na hwese wo kokumase aba. Na hwese sika ebejo. I am more than times 300 of bus. 300%. How?
Ojo nkoma wodi na atwe mensuma adwen si bibi so ana oni oman hene e ka no ewie obi tikojo oniema na motete so no e bia ko airport na ko hwese honso mote so a because obi menti asiese Kumasi to Accra say oh for one of the two airlines na no me ko Kumasi be say yini obi 4,000 Ghana cedis in and out. Me am shame. Nti mo di hun komo. In fact, na ye ade a panyi bi ni me di hun komo frɛ me say Kofi di na ekosi. Nti me ti se mo di hun komo no kwa me aye me wanwa. Me nim say wonso to kwan na nsen a.
It's me starting kai actually.
Okay.
It's too expensive.
It's too expensive.
Two a 30-minute flight. No.
Look, Obi,
30 minutes.
on a good day, Ufri Massachusetts, Koibia, Washington, D.C. On a good time,
Yes.
bet me and be 250. So far, no frills, the Anokrana, which is the low budget one, Nakrana, bet me and be very cheap. Like Spirit Air, the Frontier, near there. But offer the regular Delta,
Yes.
and United Mona. Oh,
You're looking about 3 hours.
There'll be DC to Massachusetts, they'll be 1 hour 25 minutes.
If you are using the proper
Yeah,
ones.
because Chicago to California, you're almost 3 hours.
Yeah. So Massachusetts, Chicago, no, yeah, and
Sure.
Midwest.
Yeah.
But Massachusetts is one end,
Yeah.
California is another
another.
end. So Massachusetts to California can be 6 hours a flight.
Yeah.
So they said the Ofi Ghana call UK.
UK.
That's how.
In one
I
country.
think from there, Maryland to Chicago, I think we use about 2 hours.
Yeah, Maryland to Chicago can be about an hour 45 minutes or so. So Obi, on a good time, and I make us from Massachusetts to DC.
Yes.
Wait me and be about 250, 245. Massachusetts to California on a good time 450 in a round trip 600 because like I said
Yeah,
Emuwa.
Yes.
Massachusetts to Chicago Nancy me call Massachusetts to Colorado. I mean my point is even dollar denominated economies crown $400 is a lot for a flight.
Yeah.
Na me fa
30 minutes flight.
30 minutes. No cry. You see,
These are hours flights.
passion 33 minutes.
Yes.
Back on the
Africa well.
27 minutes.
No do.
No. So how do you charge 400 United States dollars for round trip? I just don't understand it.
It's too. I don't know who. And I hope no a free market means so be anti carry.
You see, Obi.
Well, it's too much.
You see, Obi, Kojo said, "Be a samba."
Government exists to solve some of these problems.
Look,
Actually.
Ghana is overly liberalized.
Yeah.
And you see, and your money be on a car. Now the politics no room too much. Right? The entire inflation shoot 2 to 54%. You know, it is because of some of these things. The lack of control. Of course, dollar no. In fact, 2022, Adia ma petrol shoot 2 to 17 ana Kojokana. It was October 2022. Obia Otemi bia Kocheki crude price October 2022. It was $96 to $99 a barrel. And the crude is 66. And Sana, that was the same time you had the most shock on our FX reserves. So we literally had depleted our FX. And on the obekaya that week, dollar ni shoot from I think about 8 to 16 or 14 within a bare 4 days. 4 days.
Yeah.
And it drew, sir, because now your reserves, literally, we're almost done. Tiabani nya dollar will be bia or they be show up. So these two things and they shoot two up prices. Obi, adia chin ye na anwa ye ton no 700 na do 1,000 something. What is going on? Just ye tunia manimwa busa. What is driving this? But that's because we have an overly liberalized economy. So me sorry. Now as long as I have demand, now me see me din show we beji $100
Unless there is competition.
Competition or you see papa bi or the rice market or your interview or pure FM on the Kwame Dinkra. Mushi obi obehwehwe say interview ni bi obehu. Obeka say in that market
Radio mama, comment section. Hi, Penyah.